are some absolute unexpected Labor Day deals. I did not intend to make this video, but some of these deals are so rare, I couldn't not share them with you. Before we get started, if you'd like to check out any of these tool deals, click the links in the description or the pinned comment to find them easier. Let's go. This never happens. This just doesn't happen. Carbide 3D is putting on sale their Shapeoko 5 Pro CNC router for $200 off, and they never discount these. I think the last time they discount, I say never, they rarely discount these. The last time this happened was Black Friday of 23, and I think it was $100 if I'm not mistaken. This is the most I remember them being discounted. We're talking all sizes. I love the 4x2. I think it's the perfect garage shop setup because it doesn't take up a whole bunch of floor space, and you can still index full sheets of plywood through it if you so needed to. But you can also check out the 4x4 as well as the 2x2. This ends soon. If you're in the market for this, you've been eyeballing it, now's the time. And not only that, their VFD spindles are also on sale for $100. You can choose the 80mm spindle, 220 volt, or you can check out the 65mm spindle, 110 volt. These spindles are next level. I have the spindle, the 65mm plus the 4x2 Shapeoko. It's an absolute game changer in your shop. It's basically like having another employee in there helping you work. I love having this in the shop. If you've been in the market, now's the time because this won't last long and they're not going to do it again for a while. Next up, I shared this on my deal alerts. If you're not signed up, text that number you see on the screen, 1-731-207-7151. Text the word deals. I send out the best of the best tool deals so you don't miss any. This was one of those I'd sent out just a day or two ago. This is a Festool. It's a limited edition DF500 joiner set. They had the 700 on there, but it has been sold out. This, you're getting a $339 value with this kit because you're getting this domino kit with those bits. Now, some people may frown on this and think it's not a deal, but this is a deal because you're getting those tenons and all sizes of those bits, as well as if you scroll down and look, you're also getting the handrail fence and the trim stop, but you're getting all of those bits, the 4 through 10 millimeters. This is a good deal that rarely ever happens. I suspect this will sell out as well. Next on the list, you probably never heard about these clamps, but you got to check these out. These are Dubuque Clamp Works clamps. These are universal bar clamps, and they're on sale for 10% off all sizes. They're already sold out of the 72-inch, but you can check these out as well. These are also made in the USA by a small company, so if you want to check out, and they're very robust, if you'll check these out, they're very thick. You may have seen some of these similar to these at Harbor Freight and things that are really flimsy. These are not. These are very well-made clamps. I got a couple on my way myself. Check them out. Next up, you got to check this out. 36% off deluxe T-Track kits, and these includes knobs as well as the T-bolts and the T-Track, and this T-Track is very good quality. I have several pieces of this. I've used several pieces of this. It's very good T-Track, and this comes in several sizes, 24, 36, or even 48. All of it 27% off. It's a good deal. It's always good to have these on hand just to build jigs and things. Next up, this is a crazy deal. Some people said this wasn't really a good deal. This is an excellent deal. This is a 40-volt brushless 10-inch bevel saw, but you don't see the sale, right? You're getting a free track saw combo kit or the plunge saw kit with this, with a rebate. If you don't know, Makita's been doing some rebates lately, and this is excellent. If you buy this, you get to submit the rebate, and you get the plunge saw, the 40-volt plunge saw, for free. They just mail it to you for free just because you bought the miter saw. That's a crazy deal. You got to check the link in the description for this one. Or you can get a free dust extractor with this 18-volt or 36-volt Makita miter saw. All you got to do is check this out. This is a $699 value as well. But right there, free dust extractor with that rebate. That's a pretty solid deal. Check this out, the DeWalt dust extractor. I also had one of these for several years. Works extremely well. It was $419. Use the code YELLOW75. It's going to bring it down all the way to $379 with free shipping. Or you can check out the Fiend dust extractor. This was $529. This is an instant discount, no code needed. Just use the link in the description. Brings it down to $450, also free shipping. If you ever miss any tool deals, you can always check my website every day, 731woodworks.com, and then click on that tool deals button, and you'll see the tool deals posted there. I post deals there every day to help you save the most money possible. So be sure and check back often. Next up, 25% off, probably the most famous sandpaper on the face of the earth right now is the 3M extract sandpaper. You can choose from 5 or 6 inch. I think the 6 inch. Yep, 6 inches also on sale for 25% off, and multiple different grit sizes, pack sizes. Save money right now and stock up on this 3M paper. Now, I've got a special deal just for 731 viewers, exclusive, and only the first 30 people that use this code will get this deal. $30 off the brand new DeWalt. This is one of the game-changing routers on the market right now. I love this router. Some game-changing safety technology that has anti-rotation, so if you get a kickback or something, it shuts the motor down. Just an I love this. I love this router. It's so great. $30 off, $349, bringing it down to $319 right now. All you got to do is put this in the cart and use the code 731, the number 731. It'll give you that discount, but only the first 30 people that take advantage of this is going to get this deal. And once it's gone, the code just won't work. If you're more of a Milwaukee fan, you got to check this out. You get a free 8 amp hour high output battery with this one, which is a $199 value. This is a $349 router. I've also used this. Excellent router. Plus, you get that free battery. This is a solid deal. Or if you just need their track saw, it also is coming right now with the 8 amp hour battery, and you're going to get that for free. $199. You can get the track saw. It doesn't come with like the tracks or anything, but if you already have M18 chargers, this might be a deal for you. Bora Portamate Centipede. This is perfect for those in small shops that just need to store things out of the way, or if you're taking this job site to job site, or just having an extra table to be able to put your stuff on while you're working on other things on your workbench. This is what I love mine for. This is a Bora 2 foot by 4 foot with the dog hold top. This is 18% off or $40 off at regular price $219 down to $179. This is the most powerful track saw that I've ever used, the 60 volt DeWalt. And this is a full combo kit. You get the battery, the charger, the track, the case, and the saw. It was $619, bringing it down to $544 with the code YELLOW75. All of these YELLOW75 codes are only for today, September 1st, 2024. Tomorrow they will not work. Next up is the SandFlex hand sanding blocks. If you don't have any of these are the perfect material or items to remove rust from cast iron tops like your table saws, your jointers. No chemicals, and you just step through the grit. The coarse, the medium, and then the fine, and it takes the rust right off. Then you can put whatever rust preventative you want on there. But as far as rust removal goes, these are some of the best that I've ever had, and they last forever. I've had the same set for like 3 years, and right now, 25% off. Can't beat that. Before we get to the rest of the deals, there is currently a sale on SawStop table saws. All models here, $500 off. I think this is ending very, very soon, sometime around Labor Day. So if you're needing or you've been thinking about the SawStop, now might be the time to save $500 off. I have one, have had it for a couple of years now. They're excellent machines, plus the safety device. I mean, just save $500. Why don't you? Next up, the CMT blades, by far the best blades that I've used. I love these blades. I use them all the time. I think these are some of the better blades on the market. You can get up to 50% off right now, and it doesn't matter if you go with the ITK Extreme or the Orange Chrome. The Orange Chrome is the level up from the ITK Extreme blades. I like this 3-pack right here, 50% off. You get a cross-cut blade, you get a ripping blade, and you also get the combo blade. It's like the perfect combination of blades there, or you can choose the individual blades that you need. Next up, if you don't have one of these, you'll love to have one of these in the shop. It's a little Orbital detail sander. It is different than a regular oscillating tool that moves side to side. This moves round and round like an orbital sander, or it orbits in tiny orbits, and it just gives a really clean finish. This is the combo kit, instant off, 33% off. It was $269, now down to $179. This is a good deal on a very handy tool to have in the shop. Check this out. You can get $60 off right now on the clear cut table saw stock guides from Jessam. I have a set of these. I also have a set of plans on my website to build a jig for these, so you don't have to bolt them to your fence, so you can just move the jig on and off. These are awesome to be able to keep that stock pushed against the fence, makes your cuts more accurate and safer. It has an anti-kickback rollers. Just a good all-around jig for your table saw if you don't have one. Was $309, now down to $249. You got to check out TrueWork work gear. I love their work pants. Perfect. I wear them every day. They have a pocket for your phone, a pocket for your pencil. Like, they're just really great, and they're very, very comfortable and breathable. I like the T1 work pants and shorts for summertime, and the T2 I wear in the winter because it doesn't get real cold here. But they also have T3 level, which is a lot warmer if you're in the colder climates. And right now you get a free Coast DX342 pocket knife when you spend $200 on the best work gear on the planet, in my opinion. Next up, you can save up to 43% off Tanos or Systainer systems. If you don't know what they are, basically what Festool comes in, those Systainers. They have several of these and different accessories to them on sale for up to 43% off. Go through here and see which ones fit your needs and get what you need there, because they're almost sold out. There are a ton more tool deals that I'm continually updating throughout Labor Day. Be sure and check my website, 731woodworks.com. Click on that tool deals button, and then you'll see the Labor Day deals post right at the top. And as you can see, there are a ton to go check out, so don't miss any of them. Before you go, my wife is giving away a Festool domino. I don't know what's got into her. You got to go to my website, look at the tool deal section. You'll see where to enter there. And for those of you who are starting your woodworking business or you're trying to scale it, maybe you're not getting the sales you want or the traction you want on social media when you post those things for sale, check out my step-by-step blueprint that I've made that turn your woodworking passion into profit. Just go to school.com/731woodworks. If you like this video, you got to check out that next one right there, because if you do, you click it, you get a big old virtual fist bump.